Alright, I'm hoping someone will be able to help me out here. I've got some problems with iMovie. I did the update a little while ago, and since then some of their functions aren't working correctly. So there's three of them I wanted to go through, and I'll start with green screen. I've just put some little video clips here of a trip I did out west just recently, and sometimes I use just this little overlay, this walkabout with Rob green screen thing. So normally you would drop the green screen there, and you would, because it's highlighted, you can see it's yellow there. You go up to green screen, there's cutaway, there's all these other ones. You press green, blue screen, but notice how it still says cutaway. It doesn't actually change to green, blue screen. Now I can do split screen, and we play that. There it is. Okay, so there it is there. Go up there, you can change it to picture in picture, all fine. But when I do green blue screen, it goes back to cutaway, and certainly when you press play, it's just over the top. It hasn't, the two haven't merged together. So that's really annoying. The second thing is transitions. Now there's my media, that's working. We've got audio, there's some little audio clips, titles, all good. Backgrounds, again, they're fine. Click transitions, there's absolutely nothing there. It says current theme, no theme. There's blank. If you go to, I think it's titles, it also says current theme, no theme, but it shows you all of the titles that you can use. And they're really good, some of these ones, and I use them a lot. Backgrounds, there's all the ones there, but transitions, nothing. You can type in dissolve, maybe that tries to find it. There's nothing there. So that's two things that are not working. The third thing, not a major problem, but a little bit annoying. When you hover the arrow over the video clips, it's now telling you what the clip is called. In this case, IMG_0887. But I don't really need that. I think in the past what happened was when you put the arrow there, it gave you how long the clip was, whether it's 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 5 minutes, whatever. Now I can put the arrow right at the end, and I can move this in and out like that. And it does tell me how long the clip is, but it was better before when it just showed you how long the clip was right there. You can see it there, 0888, but it doesn't tell me how long the clip is. And sometimes you do want to edit right down to, a millisecond, but now you've got to kind of just do it this way. Not a big problem, but it would be nice if it was back to the old way. Certainly green screen is not working. Green screen is just not working at all, and all the transitions have completely disappeared. Is it just me? Am I doing something wrong? Is there something I should be clicking, or is there a new way to do these functions? I don't know. I never had any of these troubles before the latest iMovie update. So if you know how to fix this, please leave a comment below. And yeah, it'd be great to get these things working. I use iMovie a lot, and it's annoying not having these little functions to be working. So thank you very much, and yeah, please let me know if you can help me out with this.